Hello all, welcome to another episode of Know Your English. Today we are going to look at the phrase Trojan horse. Most of us would have at one point or another let a malware infect our computers by opening an unwanted attachment either out of curiosity or unknowingly. These days, malwares enter the computers even with routine system updates. Who would have forgotten the recent Microsoft security update fiasco that resulted in worldwide outage of several critical services? From airports to banks, to universities, to law enforcement agencies, to retail businesses, the impact was enormous. Everything came to a standstill, creating chaos all over. All because of a malware that entered the computer systems through a security update provided by Microsoft's security partner CrowdStrike. So, what such malwares have got to do with the Trojan horse? Some 30 centuries back, in the war between the Greeks and the Trojans, the Greeks always found it impossible to enter the city of Troy to win the war decisively. Even after laying siege to the city of Troy for 10 years, they couldn't enter inside. That's when they came up with this idea of constructing a wooden horse which could house and hide inside the finest Greek warriors. This was the Greek king Odysseus' idea. He, along with 40 or so warriors, hid in the horse's stomach as the horse was taken into the city of Troy. The plan was to fool the Trojans by making them believe that the Greeks have fled the city and the horse that was brought as an offering to the goddess Athena was abandoned while fleeing. Some key people tried to warn other Trojans about a possible trick by the Greeks, but their voices were drowned out and the horse was brought inside the city of Troy. After the horse was wheeled in, the Greek warriors got out, fought the Trojans and won the war. Thus, anything disguised as a benefit with hidden harm is called a Trojan horse. Many of us in our day-to-day lives get deceived by Trojan horses in many forms. Phishing emails, malware-laden attachments, malicious SMS messages, etc. Next time you receive such enticing messages, think about what happened to the Trojans after they let the horse in. Do you want such a thing happen to you? Be alert and be aware. To watch more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. And see you in another episode of Know Your English. Until then, goodbye. Brought to you by House of Gear. Have a good day.